Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to talk about monitoring the uptime of your website. So if you are hosting your website in a hosting server, chances are that the hosting server will go down from time to time. Nobody can give you 100% uptime, and most of the hosting companies will have 1 or 2 hours downtimes if it is a quality hosting service. If it is not a good quality hosting service, sometimes the site may be down for as high as 5 hours or 10 hours per month. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and monitor the uptime, and there are several tools for monitoring the uptime. So one such tool is Pingdom. So if you just search for something like Pingdom uptime check, you will get a result called website and server uptime monitoring service. So these services have a basic service and as well as a premium service. In the basic service, what you will get is free website monitoring for one website, and you will be able to monitor it at a particular time interval, maybe like every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes. The premium version will probably check for multiple websites, and they will have a faster checking routine, like it will check every 1 minute or something like that. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and sign up for Pingdom. So this is the right URL for Pingdom. You have to go to pingdom.com/free, and here you will be able to see a plan that is $0 a month. So here you can see essential site availability monitoring. It will have uptime monitoring. It will have a public status page. It will have support, and it will have email and push notifications to alert you if at all your website should go down. So I will go ahead and sign up with my Biker Boy email ID and click on start monitoring. So here I have to give the URL of my website. So that would be http www.bikerboy.in and click on monitor website. So here you can see that I have just selected bikerboy.in. The other URLs or other assets which are loading on my website, which is loading from opt-in chat, Facebook and Google. So that uptime I need not monitor right now. So I will just click on add monitoring. And here you can see that now Pingdom will start checking my site for the uptime. So right now it just got started, so there is no stats around here. But if at all the website goes down, they will go ahead and send an email to me that the website is down. I think Pingdom also has a mobile app from which you will get push notifications if your website goes down. So you can go ahead and set up this simple uptime monitoring service, and you can start checking what is the percentage of time your website is staying up in the entire month. So if your website is up for 99.5% of the time in the entire month, that is a very good number. And 0.5% sometimes servers will do server upgrades or maintenance, and sometimes the site will go down, there is no helping it. And many times if the hosting service is going to go ahead and do a maintenance or an upgrade, they will send you a mail and they will let you know that you will be experiencing downtimes. So if you are using Cloudflare and if you are using a content distribution network or a caching service, then sometimes even if the server goes down, your website will still be live and it will be delivered from the cache. So there are many other uptime monitoring service. Another uptime monitoring service is Uptime Robot. Uptime Robot also has a WordPress plugin which you can install, and you can monitor it right from inside your website. So we can go ahead and sign up for 2 or 3 uptime monitoring service as well and check the performance. So let me go ahead and sign up for Uptime Robot as well and see what they have to offer. So I just signed up for Uptime Robot and they have sent me a verification email. I will just go ahead and click on the verification link to go ahead and activate my account. So here you can see that this is the dashboard, but you would have noticed that we are yet to give our website URL. We just signed up for an account. So we have to go ahead and click on add new monitor. Select a HTTP website and just call it Bikerboy blog. And here the URL will be bikerboy.in. We have to enter the www. as well. So monitoring interval will be every 5 minutes, which is the minimum. If you need every 1 minute, then you need to go for a paid account. And here you can select email notifications and click on create monitor. Now you can see that we are in the dashboard and it has started monitoring. So up monitor and down monitor, right now there is no data because we just started using it. maybe after a few days I will go ahead and update another video below this video just to show you how the statistics look. So now we will go ahead and try to install the WordPress plugin for Uptime Robot. As far as I know, Uptime Robot is the only uptime monitoring service that has a WordPress plugin as well for WordPress blogs. So let's see if it is available in the WordPress plugin repository. So I will go to plugins, click on add new, and here I would search for Uptime Robot. So here we have Uptime Robot plugin. I will click on install now. So Uptime Robot WordPress plugin will only help you look at the stats inside the WordPress dashboard itself. So it basically pulls the stats from uptimerobot.com and puts it here. Technically they cannot monitor the update from inside your WordPress dashboard, because if your WordPress is down or if your hosting is down, obviously the plugin will also be down. So the plugin cannot go ahead and check for uptime. So let me check if it is available inside the settings. So we have Uptime Robot set up here. So it is asking for an API key. So we need to find out if Uptime Robot is giving an API key. So it should be probably inside my settings. So here you can see that there is an API settings section. I have to go ahead and click on create the main API key. And I've got the API key. Let me just copy this API key and put it back inside Uptime Robot. And I will click on save changes. So what I noticed that is that Uptime Robot does not have a dashboard which you can see from inside your WordPress blog directly, but they are giving a shortcode which you can post it on a page or a post and then go ahead and check if your site is up. This is also something that you can showcase your visitors. So I will just create a new page called Biker Boy Uptime Status. And I just need to install this PUM with square brackets, and let me just click on save. I can also enter a short text here, so I will just copy paste the same thing here and go ahead and click on publish this page. So this page is not a post, it's a page inside WordPress. And now let me go ahead and visit the page. You will be able to see that Biker Boy Uptime status is being displayed and status monitor name uptime. So Biker Boy blog, right now it's up and uptime has been 100% so far. So this is what Uptime Robot provides as a WordPress plugin, and once you go inside the Uptime Robot dashboard, you will be able to check the site status. So you have to go to dashboard, and here you will be able to see what is the status, and it will show you the current status, and it will show you the status for the last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 30 days. There are a few more uptime monitoring tools apart from Uptime Robot and Pingdom. You can go ahead and check that out as well if you have the time. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and install Uptime monitoring for your blog and set up email notifications for it. So if you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.